Welcome to the channel. Today we'll show that cos of minus theta equal to cos theta and sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta proof by using two methods. Before diving into the proof, let's recall compound angle formulas, that is cos of a minus b, that is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, and also sin of a minus b equal to sin a cos b minus cos A sin B. These are the compound angle formulas. Let's take cos of minus theta. We are going to prove that cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. So let's take only cos of minus theta. This minus theta we can rewrite as 0 minus theta. Shall we write like this? Absolutely. We can write like this. So if you write 0 minus theta, the theta value doesn't change. So that's why you can write cos of minus theta equal to cos of 0 minus theta. It is in the form of cos of A minus B. So what is the formula for cos A minus B? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So here instead of A we are taking 0, instead of B we are taking theta. Let's write in terms of this formula. We can write that cos A is nothing but cos 0 times cos B is cos theta plus sin A means sin 0 times sin B means sin theta. And we know that cos 0 the value is 1 times cos theta which is cos theta plus, and also we know that sin 0 the value is 0, so 0 times sin theta which is 0, so that is equal to cos theta plus 0 is equal to cos theta. So we proved that cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. Now we are going to prove sin of minus theta equal to minus of sin theta. Sin of minus theta. So we can write same like before, we can write this also sin of 0 minus theta. It is in the form of sin of A minus B. So our A value is 0 and B value is theta. So use this formula, right, in terms of in this formula. Then this become sin A. Sin A is nothing but sin 0 times cos B. Cos B is nothing but cos theta minus cos A. Cos A is nothing but cos 0 times sin B. Sin B is nothing but sin theta. We know that sin 0 the value is 0. So 0 times cos theta which is 0 only minus cos of 0 value is 1. So 1 times sin theta which is sin theta only. So this value 0 minus sin theta which is minus sin theta. So cos of minus theta that is equal to minus sin theta. We proved that cos of minus theta which is cos theta, and also we proved sin of minus theta is minus of sin theta. Using these two identities, now we can find tan of minus theta. Tan of minus theta, which is, we can write in terms of sin and cos, sin of minus theta over cos of minus theta. And we know that sin of minus theta the value is minus sin theta, cos of minus theta the value is cos theta, minus sin theta over cos theta which is tan theta. So tan of minus theta the value is minus tan theta. Similarly, cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. Now let's check for secant of minus theta. Secant of minus theta, secant theta is inverse of cos theta, isn't it? So that's why secant of minus theta we can write 1 over cos of minus theta. So 1 over cos of minus theta, the value is cos theta. So just write here cos theta. So we can write this 1 over cos theta which is secant theta. So that's why secant of minus theta which is plus secant theta. Now we see cosecant minus theta. Cosecant minus theta we can write this as 1 upon sin theta. That is inverse of sin. Cosecant is inverse of sin. So that's why we write 1 upon sine of minus theta. So we can write this 1 upon sine of minus theta, the value is minus sine theta. So minus sine theta. So we can write this minus of cosecant theta. So cosecant of minus theta, that is minus of cosecant theta. These two only positive, remaining all negative. Now I will show the proof of cos of minus theta equal to cos theta, sine of minus theta equal to minus sine theta by second method. That is geometric proof. For that you need to take x and y axis. Here consider a unit circle with radius r. So just draw a radius here r. So if you pass from x axis to y axis in this angle, this is a anti-clockwise direction, which is positive axis. So that means if you draw a line from r to here, so it is nothing but your y, isn't it? So this is y, and we know that this is the center O, and just name it this point as A. If you draw a radius here also, if you go from x to y, this is anti-clockwise direction, which is positive axis. If you go from here x to down, it is a clockwise direction, but it is a negative axis. That means if you draw a line from here to here, this is also the same like y axis in negative direction, and this y is in positive direction, that's why it is plus y. This name it as B. So our OB is nothing but radius r. This point you name it as C, and we formed two right angle triangles. So one is angle COA. So OA is nothing but r, and AC is nothing but positive y, and OX is in x axis, so that is nothing but x. So just write x here. And also we formed another right angle triangle, which is angle COB. Here OB is nothing but radius, and BC is nothing but negative y, and OC is nothing but x. Now let's take sine as in positive direction. So our positive direction is, this is the positive direction, so that time our angle is COA. This is the angle. Let's take angle COA. This angle you take. So just take the trigonometric ratio of sine theta. What is the ratio? Opposite side by hypotenuse. This is the angle theta. So what is the opposite side? AC. AC upon hypotenuse OA. Here AC is nothing but y, and OA is nothing but r. So when you take in positive direction, sine theta value is y over r. When you take the negative direction, that is, if you take this COB, angle COB, that is in negative direction. If you take in negative direction, that is sine of minus theta, that is equal to, so here you need to take triangle COB. So you need to take this triangle, because we are taking in negative direction. Here opposite side by hypotenuse. So this is the angle theta. So what is the opposite side? BC. BC over hypotenuse OB. So BC is nothing but minus y, and OB is nothing but r. So sine of minus theta, that is equal to minus of y over r. Y over r is nothing but sine theta. So instead of y over r, we can write sine theta. Hence we proved that sine of minus theta equal to minus sine theta by geometric method. Now let's take cos theta by positive direction. So cos theta, when you write in ratio, that is adjacent side by hypotenuse, isn't it? So when you take in positive direction, so you need to take angles COA. This is the angle. Adjacent side is OC upon hypotenuse OA. So OC is nothing but x, OA is nothing but r. So when you take in positive direction, cos theta value is x over r. Now let's take the negative direction. So that is angle COB. Cos of minus theta, that is equal to adjacent side over hypotenuse. What is our adjacent side? So this is the angle, and this is the adjacent side. OC over hypotenuse, that is OB. So our OC value is x over OB value is r. So x over r. So x over r is nothing but cos theta. So instead of x over r, we can write cos theta. Hence we proved that cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So we proved that sine of minus theta, that is equal to minus sine theta,
Okay.
cos of minus theta equal to plus cos theta.
Okay.
I hope you like this content. If you like this content, hit the subscribe button for regular updates. Thank you for watching.